Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post private videos on BuzzCast. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up BuzzCast on your mobile device. Tap on the zero icon at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the Santa Claus button at the bottom of your screen. Click on Videos. Now you can take a video of yourself by tapping on the white button at the bottom of your screen, or simply upload a video from your gallery by tapping on the Upload button. Tap on the video that you want to upload. Go ahead and tap on the arrow button at the top right of your screen. Tap on Private Video at the bottom left of your screen. Now you have successfully uploaded a private video on BuzzCast. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.